Hey everyone, my name is Billy Wink and I'm the CEO of HB Auto, and today I'm going to give you an update on my 993 project. So it's been a while since we posted an update, obviously, and I'm not sure if you can tell there's a little dust on the car because we've been waiting on some things, but we do have a big update on the car. And sorry it took us so long to give you one, but we've been super busy here with some things going on at the shop. So we'll just kind of walk through what's going on with the car and give you an update on the progress. Well, first of all, we got the wing mounted on the car, which was a big victory for us in the car in itself. It's an SRS Tech wing, and it's kind of like a GT3 look wing, which I really like. We have experimented with the idea of eventually creating a swan neck wing for the car. We'd have to custom make that ourselves, obviously, because no one makes it. But this will do for now, just because we're just trying to get the project on the road. So we've got the Mirimoto taillights in here, which I really like. It kind of gives you that singer look to the car and just kind of updates the overall appearance of the car. It does have the SRS Tech rear diffuser slash like or rear bumper skirts here. We're still working on the fitment. There's a little bit of a gap overall, but I think it just kind of gives it a more modern look with the 993 without going like extremely pro touring or like modern, but just kind of gives the car an updated look and feel. We do have the wheels installed with tires now, the SRS Tech side skirts, the carbon mirrors, paint matched door handles, all the trim done. I know we've went over this before, but I really love the way the carbon roof looks on the car. It looks really good. We do have the Mirimoto headlights installed. Obviously from the front end of the car you can kind of see the vision of the car. It's like our version of what a RS would be in a 993. Now you'll notice the front bumper is missing. I had an issue with the front bumper. It just looked really dated and old, and I love the size of the 993, and the car is like borderline modern and classic, and I want to just take it a touch past classic and into more of a modern car. I got this idea from the 992.2, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to put the turn signal in this bottom insert here in the tail or the headlight. So we're going to have to modify this headlight and put that turn signal there. And then we're actually shaving the side marker off the front bumper, molding that in, and then we're making a ram air scoop right here where the fog light would go. The front fender will have a lip, and then that lip will run into the front bumper, which will turn into a molded in front diffuser. I think it's going to look really good, give the car a modern look and feel, and just really clean up that bulky, dated front end look of the 993. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, and you can kind of see right here where we've been test fitting the fender flare. Overall, we're really close to the car. Basically, we're down to getting the fender flares fitted, the front bumper finalized, and the side skirt, and then just some tweaks and adjustment on the final fit and finish. We've got all the glass in the car, new rubber, everything's done. We also had a hard time finding a rear glass with the wiper plug deleted. We found an original one, but it was just really low quality. So there's this little plug here we can install. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. We also deleted that third brake light. I think overall it looks cleaner. The only regret I have with the car is the drip rail. We didn't delete that. It's just kind of like a sign of a classic car. You know, I'm just trying to go for a super clean look. My favorite car is the 993 and 997, but I think like the ultimate car is if the 993 just had some of the modern 997 touches because of the size and the weight. It's just kind of a driver's dream if you like, you know, an analog, simple, just driver machine focused feel for your car. Another thing that I want to play around with at some point is making this a one-piece glass. I think if we could figure that out and get rid of the drip rail at some point, I think that'd really make this look. You know, the rubber too that goes here, I don't like the way that looks. So we're trying to get this fit as good as possible without it. And then we also shaved the windshield wipers, which I just, you know, if I drive the car in the rain while I have Rain-X on, then it'll be all right. So overall, I'm real happy with it. We're really close to getting the car done, but just a few things left. The engine is about to start getting some of the work done. Protomotive is doing a lot of the machine work for us, so that should be a pretty fun project. And basically the goal is this month to knock out the rest of the body, the front bumper, side skirts, fender flares, final adjustments, and then we're gonna start on the interior. Hopefully that'll be done sometime by September. Originally the goal was to have the car done a little sooner, but we're just extremely busy right now, and you know, we're hoping by the end of this year this car will be done and finalized and get this thing moving along. And then right behind us is the 997 project. It's just been kind of sitting for a while, so hoping to knock this thing out, and then we can start giving you some updates on this car again so you guys can see how the progress is on it. Overall, that's kind of where we're at. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the update. If you got any ideas or have any feedback, please comment below. We love to hear from you guys, and we hope you're enjoying the content we're putting out. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.